The aim of this video is to show you how to add tasks, or as they're commonly known, snags, to FieldView. Before we do that, let's have a quick look at what some of the icons displayed on the folder tiles mean. These show the total number of tasks, forms, processes or assets which have been added to that location or its subfolders. The tick mark shows the number of tasks, the clipboard the number of forms, the triangle with the circles the number of processes, and the box the number of assets in that folder or its subfolders. The peeled back top right hand corner indicates that a drawing has been added to that location. There are two ways to add tasks. The first is to add it as part of a form, and the second way is to add it as a standalone task, which is the method I'm going to show you first. The first step, as always, is to navigate to the folder in which the task has to be raised. In this case, I'm going to navigate to Unit 109 in the Fitout folder. If you want to drop the task to an exact spot on the drawing associated with that location, tap on the Plan View button at the top. Tap the Action Panel button. To add a task to the drawing, tap the Add New button next to the tasks, and then select the task type from the list on the right. Note that subcontractors should use only task type BHET subcontractor snag when snagging their own work, as it's the only task type they have permission to close. Complete the task by doing one of the following. Select the task from the Recent Tasks list, or tap Library to copy details from a library task, or tap Details to set up a new task. You can add tasks to the task library by ticking the Add to Library box at the bottom of the Details tab. You can now drag and drop the new task to the exact location. The new task is the marker with the solid color. Photos can be added either by taking a photo or by uploading it from the gallery. To take a photo, tap on the camera icon and take your picture as usual. If you're happy with the photo, select Use Photo. If you want to upload the photo from the gallery, select the Gallery option. You can annotate photos by tapping on the Annotate button above the photo, and then use your finger or a stylus to add a comment or to highlight an area. Save or discard the annotation by selecting either Undo, Clear or Save. You can also add a snapshot of the drawing to indicate the location of the task by selecting the Snapshot icon. This snapshot is used in the reports generated by FieldView when it distributes the task to the relevant package owner. Also note the compulsory fields indicated by the word Required in brackets after the question. When you're finished, select Save to save your changes. If you do not want to save your changes, select the back arrow and then discard when prompted. Tasks and updates to tasks are automatically distributed to the relevant organization when the tablet is synchronized. The second way to add a snag is as part of a form. In this case, I'm going to navigate to Unit 109 in the Fitout folder and add a task to a form previously opened as part of a process task, Mechanical First Fix. Open the form and then select the lightning icon next to the question where you want to add the task. Select the Add Task button. You can now add a task as you would normally, including changing to the Plan View to locate the task on the drawing. Select Save to add the task to the form. A number in a black circle will now appear next to the lightning bolt to indicate the number of tasks associated with that question. To edit a task, navigate to the location where the task or form has been saved. Select the Action panel at the top and tap on the Task or Forms to see a list of tasks or forms raised against that location. You can also select a task by changing to Plan View and tapping on the Point of Interest marker. Doing so will open the Details tab where you can edit the task. Note that you also have the option at the top to copy the task. To move it to a different location, either in the same folder or a different folder, select the Move button next to the Location field and then drag it to the new location on the drawing. Move the task to a different folder by changing to Location View and selecting the new location. Remember to update the task's status as and when appropriate.